Beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Wow. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Wow. Nowadays on cruise control. Wow. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl.
What's up, guys? So today, as you can see, we got a new camera. I still have the GoPro that I'll probably use for car stuff, but I know that it's not really the best quality. I'm going to get a better microphone for this, and I've got a suction cup mount and stuff like that coming. So that'll be used for the car. For now, the GoPro is just going to have to suffice. Right now, we're going to go down to the car, we're going to hop in, and we are going to head to downtown Disney. My folks are already on the way. We're going to go meet them there. I don't think I'm going to vlog anything there because I want to spend time with them. But later on in the day, at 8 o'clock tonight, we have a car meet at UTI that I do want to go to. So maybe I'll bring a camera for that. That'll be a lot of fun to go to. So we're going to head down to the car, and yeah. So I was rolling down my window, and because of the hot adhesive from the tent cover coming off, it just kind of pulled this off. Fold these in. Get out of my eye. I don't know what that was, but it was bugging the heck out of me. Alright, well, it'll do for now, but we'll get it fixed after. My MR2 is falling apart. Something on me, and I swear, well, there's no mirrors in this car, but jeez Louise, that's annoying. Okay, so downtown Disney. We're gonna get there way early, but I'm gonna chill out down there for a while. Alright, so we're at this car meet. I'm going to wait till some of my friends show up before I actually film anything, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. I don't know anybody here yet. None of these people go to my school. So. AlphaClass puts on a heck of a show. There was something like 400 cars at that meet. It was crazy loud. There were people playing music with their audio systems and stuff, and it was just like, I couldn't do anything vlog-wise, so everything's going to be kind of montage style. So I mean, I guess that'll be cool, but it's one of the crazier meets I've ever been to. That was definitely cool. But we are home now. I'm going to angle this up. Yeah, we're home now. Whew. Oh, it's good to be back. My ears are still ringing from that Miata. I knew it was going to be loud, but I didn't know it was going to be so direct. It was directly into my face, and it was like immediate ear ringing. But yeah, I'm going to get to editing. Whew. I'm going to cut this video short. I'm tired. I did a lot today. But yeah, I've got some really cool footage and videos and stuff like that coming together. So I'm going to end this here. Peace out.